Have you ever looked at your bank account and thought, is this it? After all the work, the stress, the hours, this is all I've got to show for it? You're not alone. Most people are stuck in a loop. Earn, spend, repeat. Month after month, year after year. But what if I told you that breaking free from that cycle doesn't take a miracle, just 6 months? Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, has spent his life teaching people how to escape the rat race. And no, it's not about working harder, getting a second job, or chasing promotions. It's about rewiring the way you think about money, then taking consistent, focused action. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a get-smart-then-get-rich plan. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a 6-month roadmap inspired by Robert Kiyosaki's teachings that can radically shift your financial life, even if you're starting with nothing. You'll learn why the poor stay poor and how to flip that script, the simple steps that turn your salary into income-producing assets, the mindset shift that makes money start working for you, not the other way around. If you're ready to stop living paycheck to paycheck and start building wealth like the top 1%, then keep watching, because the next 6 months could change everything. Month 1 is where everything begins, not with your wallet, but with your mind. Robert Kiyosaki famously said, "The poor say, I can't afford it. The rich ask, how can I afford it?" That one shift separates those who stay stuck from those who rise. Your first 30 days are about flipping the switch, from survival thinking to opportunity thinking. Most people believe money is the problem. It's not. It's the script playing in their head. This month, your job is to expose that script and rewrite it. Start by writing down every belief you've been taught about money. Money is hard to make. Rich people are greedy. I'll never earn enough. Now flip each one. Turn I can't afford it into how can I afford it? Turn I'm bad with money into I'm learning to master money. These might feel awkward at first, but repetition rewires reality. You're also going to feed your mind daily. Grab Rich Dad, Poor Dad, the book that changed millions of lives, and read a chapter each day or listen to it during your commute. Let Kiyosaki's ideas of assets, liabilities, and cash flow start to sink into your thinking. This isn't motivational fluff, it's mental reprogramming. Most people think more income will make them rich. It won't. Income is a tool. What builds wealth is what you do with it, how you convert it into cash-flowing assets. The goal this month is not to earn more, but to think better. You can't build a rich life with a poor mindset. By the end of this first month, something inside you will shift. You'll stop asking, why am I broke? And start asking, what can I build? This is the wealth switch. Once it's flipped, nothing will ever be the same again. This month is about planting the seed. In 5 months, you'll see what it grows into. This month is all about taking control. In month 1, you changed how you think about money. Now it's time to change how you treat it. Robert Kiyosaki teaches that the first rule of wealth isn't how much you make, it's what you keep. The wealthy don't hope there's money left at the end of the month. They make sure of it. That's why this month you're going to pay yourself first. Start by opening a separate bank account. This isn't just for saving, it's your wealth-building account. The moment money comes in, at least 10% of it should go here automatically. If you can do more, do more. This is your first step toward building capital, the fuel for future investments. You're no longer treating savings as what's left over after bills and spending. Now, it's the priority. Next, track every dollar. For the next 30 days, write down every single expense. Yes, every coffee, subscription, lunch, and impulse buy. Most people say they don't have enough money to save or invest, but they've never actually seen where it all goes. When you track your spending, you expose your blind spots. Awareness leads to control. Control leads to options. Think of your finances like a business. No smart business owner ignores their numbers. You're now the CEO of your own money. That means profit comes first. Income minus savings is your new expense budget, not the other way around. Paying yourself first isn't about deprivation. It's about intention. You're choosing long-term wealth over short-term comfort. By the end of this month, you'll know exactly where your money goes and, more importantly, where it should be going. You'll stop feeling like money is slipping through your fingers and start realizing you're the one in charge. This is the moment you stop being reactive and start becoming deliberate. Welcome to your first month as a real money manager. By month 3, your mindset is sharper and your cash flow is finally under control. Now it's time to lay the foundation that will carry you forward financially, not just for the next few months, but for the rest of your life. Robert Kiyosaki says it clearly. Savers are losers. Investors are winners. Not because saving is bad, but because saving alone won't get you free. Inflation eats savings. Emergencies drain them. The key is building a system that protects you today while preparing you to grow tomorrow. The first step is simple but powerful. Save at least $1,000 as an emergency fund. It's not about the number, it's about the confidence. This is your life won't break me buffer. When life throws you a surprise, you won't fall into a panic or more debt. You'll be ready. It's your first defense. Next, look at your debt. Not all debt, just the bad kind. Credit cards, payday loans, and high-interest traps that are quietly stealing your wealth. You don't need to eliminate them overnight, but you do need to take control. Negotiate rates, cut spending, and set up automatic payments. Every dollar you free from interest is a dollar you can use to build wealth. Now, the moment that separates dreamers from doers, your first investment. It doesn't matter if it's $100 in a stock index fund, a piece of crypto, a bit of gold, or a fractional share of something bigger. What matters is you've crossed the line from spender to investor. You've stopped waiting for wealth and started building it. This month is when you shift from playing defense to playing offense. You stop working just for money and begin preparing for money to work for you. It's not about getting rich overnight. It's about planting your first seeds so they can start growing, compounding, and eventually freeing you. This is your financial foundation. Pour the concrete strong now, and everything you build later will stand tall. This is the month everything changes. For the first time, you're no longer just managing money, you're making it multiply. Robert Kiyosaki says, "The rich don't work for money, they build assets." That's not a metaphor, it's a blueprint. And now, it's yours. Month 4 is about building or buying something that pays you, even when you're not working. By now, you've got discipline. You've tracked your money, saved consistently, and even started your financial foundation. Now it's time to take that saved capital and put it to work. This isn't about waiting until you have thousands, it's about starting. Even if it's just $50 or $100, you're going to use it to create a small stream of income that doesn't depend on your labor, because that's what wealth really is, freedom from time. You have options. You can buy your first dividend-paying stock. You can invest in a real estate fund. You can rent out an extra room or your car. You can launch a tiny digital product, a guide, an ebook, a course. It doesn't have to be big. It just has to be yours. Even if it only brings in $10 this month, that's $10 you didn't trade your time for. That's proof of concept. And proof is powerful. Most people spend their whole lives chasing income. But this month, you'll create a stream, however small, that begins flowing to you. And once it starts, you'll never want to turn it off. You'll realize that wealth isn't built by working harder. It's built by owning assets that work harder than you ever could. You're not just earning money anymore. You're creating a machine, one that can grow, scale, and duplicate itself. And this is only the beginning. The moment you earn even $1 passively, you'll feel it. This works. And that feeling? That's the real beginning of wealth. Now that you've built your first asset and felt the shift, it's time to turn up the momentum. In month 5, the mission is simple. Grow your income, not by working more hours, but by increasing your value. Robert Kiyosaki reminds us, work to learn, not to earn. The most financially successful people don't chase paychecks. They chase skills, leverage, and smarter ways to earn. You're not meant to stay stuck in the same income bracket forever. You've already proven to yourself that you can save, invest, and build. Now, you need to grow the very thing that fuels your investments, your cash flow. The best way to do that? Make yourself more valuable. Take a course that sharpens a high-income skill. Read books on negotiation, sales, or business. Seek mentorship from someone who's already doing what you want to do. The more you grow, the more you earn. It's that simple. And don't be afraid to ask for more. If you're employed, schedule a conversation with your manager. Come with numbers, results, and confidence. If you run your own business or side hustle, raise your rates or reach out to more clients. You've done the work. Now it's time to get paid for it. And if you're not there yet, that's okay. Start something on the side that aligns with what you're already good at. Teach, design, write, coach, consult. There are countless paths to income expansion. What matters most this month is shifting from a consumer mindset to a producer mindset, from surviving on what comes in to creating more at will. As you increase your earning power, you'll not only have more to invest, you'll also unlock new levels of freedom and confidence. This is where you start breaking ceilings. Not just financial ones, but mental ones. You realize you can grow your value, and in turn, your income, whenever you decide to. And once you understand that, there's no limit to how far you can go. 6 months ago, you were likely chasing paychecks, wondering if real wealth was even possible for someone like you. Now, you've saved, invested, created your first income stream, and increased your earning power. But here's where the real shift happens. Thinking like the rich. Robert Kiyosaki said, "It's not about how much money you make, it's about how much you keep, how hard it works for you, and how many generations you keep it for." Month 6 is about turning everything you've built into something bigger, through habits, systems, and leverage. Wealthy people don't just hustle harder, they scale smarter. They look at what's working and double down on it. So this month, take a hard look at your money system. What income stream is giving you the best return? What's draining your time with little payoff? Get honest. Then, take all your profits, savings, and extra cash and pour them into the asset with the highest potential. That's how you build momentum. Automate everything you can. Savings, investments, debt payments. Make wealth building the default, not a decision. And then, look around you. Who are you learning from? Who are you spending time with? If your circle isn't talking about growth, opportunity, or investing, you're in the wrong room. Your network won't just reflect your net worth, it will determine it. This isn't the end of the plan. It's the beginning of a new cycle. Now that your mindset has changed and your systems are in place, wealth becomes a game of compounding and scaling. You don't need to keep reinventing the wheel, you just need to keep it spinning faster. The more you grow, the more options you create, and the more you invest, the more time freedom you gain. Month 6 is where you stop chasing money and start building legacy. You've proven it can be done. Now it's time to do it over and over again. Smarter, stronger, and with a mindset that's built to last. So now you've got the plan. 6 months. 6 clear phases. No fluff, no lottery ticket thinking. Just the exact steps that Robert Kiyosaki himself has used and taught to build real, lasting wealth. You don't need to be born rich. You don't need to be the smartest person in the room. You just need to be willing to think differently, act consistently, and stick with it. Remember, most people will hear advice like this and do nothing. They'll nod, agree, maybe even feel inspired, and then go right back to the same cycle. Work, spend, repeat. But not you. You're still here. You've made it this far for a reason. And that reason is simple. You're ready for more. So, here's what I want you to do. Pick your start date. Maybe it's today, maybe it's next Monday. Doesn't matter, just start. Print this plan, re-watch this video, bookmark it, revisit it every month as your personal roadmap. Because in 6 months, your bank account won't be the only thing that changes. Your mindset, your habits, your confidence, they'll all level up. And if this video gave you value, share it. Send it to a friend. Post it. Start a conversation. Because wealth isn't just about money, it's about freedom, choices, and legacy. And you deserve all three. If you're ready to go even deeper into this journey, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I've got more coming that'll help you build smarter, grow faster, and live freer. You've got 6 months. Make them count. I'll see you at the top.